I don't know how well, okay, you can kind of see me. Probably should take the hat off so you can actually see me better. Right now we're about to get into the jam session. We're gonna jam. So, story time. Earlier, I went to the gym around 2:53-ish, which normally, like, you might see some kids from after school go there, but it's not really busy. No work people. Dude, it was packed when I got there, and I'm like, okay, what's going on? Because normally I try to go when, like, nobody's there, anywhere between 1 and 3. 3's the later end, but I had some stuff I had to do, so I couldn't get to the gym until 3. Well, I go there, and it's, like, packed, and I'm like, what's going on? Dude, by the time it's, like, 4 o'clock, and I've just finished my triceps, you know, like, warmed up, finished my triceps, all that good stuff, dude, it is packed, and I am, like, I can't even get a bench to do my dumbbells, because I do incline dumbbells, and, like, oh my god, it ruined my workout. There were so many people there at 4 o'clock, like, but the whole reason why is because there was a gym, like, down the road that was more of like a newbie gym, cheaper, a little bit, I don't know if it was cheaper or not, but it was pretty bad gym is what I heard. The gym that I'm at now is a little bit more expensive, but it's better. Yeah, everybody decided to sign up for there, but apparently they're moving to Planet Fitness in there, which is good. That takes all the noobs away, cheaper, takes them all out. Good to go, right? I will not be signing up for there. I love my gym now. Honestly, I wish there was a little bit better of a gym, but this gym will do, right? But like better, like what I mean is like equipment can go a little bit heavier, because I'm doing full stack on tricep push down. I mean, I don't know. Like if I could show you how to do my push downs, I can't grip because I have tennis elbow right now, and I'm still trying to heal it. So I have to like literally push it down almost like you're doing a, like whatever those are called. But yeah, so, oh, that's a big truck coming, and I'm not going to gas it. But yeah, like, it's just, you know, I can't, I have to lower it so I can get my body weight down so I can feel it. So I lower the thing so I can really push it down, but this one only goes up to 115. The actual tricep extension, where you're supposed to grip it and pull it down, goes up to like 250, which is perfect, but at the moment, I can't grip it down, you know? Also, who the heck is gonna be able to pull down 250 pounds and put it, I don't know, I mean, like, I can do quite a bit of weight on the lat pull down and all that great stuff, but I don't know, you, I mean, if you're doing 250 on that thing. But yeah, like, I full stack it, you know, for 12 reps, but, you know, it is what it is. But, you know, some of the equipment is definitely worn out. Like leg extension, I've maxed out both of them. You know, we have a plated one and then another one, and it's just annoying that like I can't go any heavier. But then also the padding on some of them have worn out. I don't know, but it's petty stuff to complain about. I got weights to lift. It's just I'm kind of pissed off that it's so busy now. Like most of the people there, like it was, you know, what's it good, broccoli headed, you know, pajama pants kids, and it got so annoying because, you know, the regulars, like, you know, I know the same guys that go in there like every day at the same time as me. I mean, I see them like every day. We're like, what the hell's going on? Like, what? And one of the guys comes up, he's like, yeah, like they closed down Club Fitness and it's finally done. And I'm like, oh, well, that sucks. All right, so it's jam time. This was a popular one. Sis, oh. guys, I've already taken pre-workout today, and it failed because I couldn't work out. So I'm taking some more caffeine because why not? Let's have our heart rate. Cardiac arrest. Here we go. I'm taking more caffeine the rest of the day. Double scoop is crazy though. Also taking mother bucker. Shit, fuck. Calvin Harris! Calvin Harris is the GOAT! The GOAT! Yeah! Right now, like this is BS. I'm just gonna listen to Sweater. Alright, I'm going to the gym now. I'm going to use all this aggression that the specs are so busy now, and I'm going to put it into the gym. I'm going to do so much weight, and I'm going to kill my arms. I'm going to be shivering after the damn workout. And I kid you not, it is going to be crazy. I am pissed. Alright, I haven't really talked much. But yeah. We're almost done with biceps. Gonna do a couple of triceps. Looking pretty good right now. Mid-workout. So yeah. As I guess no pump. There's too many people here right now to film. Doing my privacy. Have fun background. But you can't really do triceps. I'll probably do legs, shoulders one day right here, but at the moment, nothing much I can really do back here. Probably do some back too. I always like to do bent over rows. You know. But at the moment, can't do much. But yeah, you just saw some of the bicep stuff I did. I've already done some sets of biceps, so didn't really do much, but yeah, there's not a lot of people out there on my film, but I think there still is. Like I said earlier, it's been pretty busy. Normally it's hour nobody's here, but you know, here's what it is. Still got this stomach fat. Gonna do some abs today. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. That was terrible. But yeah. Well, arms have been pretty good. Biceps are looking pretty big. They're growing for sure. So yeah, I'll see you in a bit.
Terrible, what? Well, that was awesome. What's it called? Yeah, it's the way it's absolutely horrid. Yeah, it's absolutely horrid. But, yeah, it is what it is. Man, at least I'm more trucking. But yeah. So, we're gonna be in the house. I've already eaten all my meals today, so but the form's good, looking good. Yep.